You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftacademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.
Hello and welcome to Jira Administration Labs. We are going to start with Section A, Jira Administration. Section A consists of 28 labs, starting from Lab 1 to Lab 28. Let's move ahead and perform Lab 1. Let's move ahead. In Lab 1, we are going to create a management virtual machine. For that, we need to open VMware Workstation. We are going to click on. Let's move ahead. We are going to click on File. We are going to click on New Virtual Machine. And we are going to select Typical, which is recommended. Then click on Next. Here we are going to select Operating System, where we are going to say that I will install operating system later on. With this setting, we are going to click on Next. Select operating system. We are going to select Windows, Microsoft Windows, and version would be Windows 11. Yes. Now click on Next. We are going to give the name as Nita MGMT01 and make sure you save it in the folder that you have created, Jira Labs. So I have browsed and I have selected the location as Jira Labs. Now let's move ahead and click on Next. And on this page, which is encryption information, we are going to select only file needed. It is good to go with this option, which is TPM. Okay, now let's give the password. I am going to give the password here. And then we'll click on Next. Here we are going to specify the disk size as 320 and we'll select as store virtual disk as a single file. So your virtual disk file are not separated. As a single file it is stored. We are going to click on Next. And then we are going to click on this ready to create virtual machine. We are going to click on Finish. Right click on this virtual machine, go to Settings, go to CD DVD. Here we are going to select the ISO file. As you can see, I have selected the file over here. We are going to click on, make sure that it is connected at power on, and then click on OK. Now we will power on the virtual machine. Click on this screen in the middle and just press any key. Make sure that you click on, select this, just click on the dark black screen in the middle. So middle of your laptop I would say, and then just press any key. Let's get into full screen. Here we are going to click on Next. And then we are going to click on Install Now. Here I will say that I don't have a product key. Okay. We are going to select Windows 11 Education and click on Next. We are going to accept the license agreement and then click on Next. Here, since we are not upgrading, the rationale behind this or the reason behind this, we are going with custom because it's our first installation. We are not upgrading, custom. Okay, and here we are going to click on Next. Click on next. So wait for the setup to complete. The system will reboot a few times. So this is our management virtual machine. Using this virtual machine, we are going to log in into Jira. We will let the installation get completed and then we will move ahead. Installation is still going on. It will take some time. Let's move ahead and perform further steps. Here we are going to select Canada. Let's select Canada and click on, let's select Canada. Click on yes. We will keep it as keyboard as US. Click on yes. Click on skip. So let's move ahead and give here name as Nita admin. It's going to use name of device. We are going to give the same name that we have given, which is Nita MGMT. If you remember the name of virtual machine, provide that same over here. Nita MGMT 01. Click on next. This is going to take some time because now our virtual machine is going to restart. Now let's move ahead. We'll click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Click on accept. This is going to take some time. We will complete this and start again. This is going to take some time. Let's move ahead. So virtual machine is restarted and now we are going to search for, right click on Windows icon and we are going to click on computer management. We are going to create a user, local user and groups, and then we are going to click on user and here we have administrator. Right click on this and we are going to click on set password, proceed. We are going to click on OK. Okay. Now right click on administrator, go to properties. In general tab, uncheck account is disabled and then click on OK. Apply, OK. And now we are close this. Right click on Windows icon again, bottom left. Okay. Right click on Windows icon. Let me show it to you. Right click on Windows icon. Go to File Explorer. File Explorer. And right click on this PC. Go to Properties. System. We are going to rename the system name. Okay. So here rename this PC. Name we are going to give Nita MGMT 01. Click on next. And now we are going to restart the virtual machine so that the changes can be applied. Restart now. We'll wait for this to get completed. Virtual machine is rebooted. We are not going to use Nita admin. We are going to log in as administrator. Give the password. Let's log in into this virtual machine. It will take some time. As you can see, this might take few minutes. Let's move ahead, click on next. So here, let Microsoft, okay. We are going to click on accept. Okay. We are there now. Now let's move ahead and install VMware tool. Remember, if you don't install VMware tool, it's not like that you are not going to perform, you won't be able to perform the lab, but you will have some difficulty. Like copy paste will not work. This screen is the full size of this virtual machine. Okay, so now let's move ahead and install VMware tool. For that, we are going to go to VMware Workstation, right click on this, and then we are going to click on install VMware tool. Click on install. It will take some time, it will appear over here. Yeah. Open this. You can just run setup. You will let the installation get completed. It's going to take some time. Click on next, and here we are going to choose the setup type as typical. Click on next, click on install. We will let the installation get completed. As you can see the difference right now, the screen is full. So this is one of the major difference. Once you install, this was previously it was a very small screen and difficult to manage or perform labs. Okay, so I highly recommend to install VMware tools. Okay, now click on yes. It's going to restart virtual machine. Virtual machine is getting restarted. Now let's move ahead. We'll sign in into this virtual machine. Click on this icon, sign in as administrator. Let's move ahead, and now we are going to configure network settings. Here we are going to open CMD, and you can just type ncpa.cpl. Okay, Ethernet 0. Right click on Ethernet 0, go to properties, and here we are going to click on IPv4. Select use following IP address. IP address would be 172.16.10.10. Subnet mask would be 255.255.0.0. Default gateway 172.16.10.10. It should be 10.1, and preferred DNS is going to be 172.16.10.10. Now we are going to click on OK. Click on OK again, and then we'll close this. Now let's move ahead and configure firewall. For that, again we are going to click on, right click on Windows icon, and here we are going to type, here we are going to type control panel, not right click, just click on Windows control panel, and we will look for Windows security, system security. If it is not there, go with small icon, and you will see Windows Defender Firewall. Windows Defender Firewall. Go to advanced setting, and then we are going to click on Windows Defender Firewall, power off, just disable all three, apply, and OK. Now close this. Now let's move ahead and add a network adapter. We'll go for that. We are going to move ahead and perform this step via VMware Workstation, not in virtual machine. We'll go to VMware Workstation and right click on the virtual machine. Let's do that. Right click on virtual machine, go to settings. In the virtual machine setting, we are going to click on add. Select network adapter, click on add. We are going to select network adapter, click on finish, and now we have network adapter 2 over here. In the right panel that you see, we are going to select bridged, okay, and then yes, we are going to select replicate physical network connection state, okay, and then we are going to click on OK because we need internet connection. We are using Jira administration, which is a public URL. Now we'll let this get completed. It will take some time. Okay, now this is done. Let's go back to virtual machine and in start, click on start, type CMD, and now we are going to type ping google.com. Okay, so we have the connectivity with Google. Okay, now we'll close this. Let's move ahead and install Google Chrome. Okay, let's open Google Chrome. We'll type it over here. Let's move ahead. Google.com, and we will download Chrome. Download Chrome. We are going to download the Chrome. Now let's go to download folder where this setup should be there. On virtual machine, I am working on my virtual machine. Everything that we are going to perform is on virtual machine. Okay, so now we are going to right click on this, and then we are going to copy it and we'll paste it in the desktop. So we have it over here. Now we are going to double click on this setup file. It will take some time to download and perform installation. Let's complete this and then we will move ahead. Installation is still going on. It will take some time. We will wait for the installation to complete. Let's move ahead. Don't sign in. We'll set it as default. Let's go to the settings. Let's close this and click on setting. Okay. Now let's move ahead and perform certain few more tasks. Now let's open Google Chrome. Let's look for this. Okay. So this was about lab 1. What we did in lab 1, we have still not started with Jira. Lab 1 is all about creating a virtual machine that you are going to use to access Jira. That's it for this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.